Good morning. I've just made a 2-layer plain yellow cake, and I'm going to make my mother's recipe for White Mountain frosting. So it's basically like the Divinity candy with a few little differences. So I'm going to move my cake. It needs to cool completely before we frost it. So in a saucepan, a large saucepan, I've got 3 cups of granulated sugar. I'm adding 1 cup of water, just tap water. I'm stirring that up good, and then I'm turning the burner on high, and I'm going to cook the sugar water until it threads. And while my sugar water is cooking, I'm going to put 3 large egg whites into a mixing bowl on my stand mixer. These are room temperature eggs. And I'll save the yolks to use later. The sugar water's at a full rolling boil now. So while it's cooking, I'm going to beat the egg whites till they form stiff peaks. The egg whites are stiff, so they're ready. This is getting close. Doesn't take that long for it to thread. If you're using a candy thermometer, the temperature is, I believe, 228 degrees that you're looking for. I was going to check mine with the thermometer just to be sure, but my thermometer is broken. Most recipes you see for White Mountain frosting either call for cream of tartar or Karo syrup, but my mother never used either one, so I'm trying to do it the same way she did. I think it's ready. Okay, as soon as it cools, it'll be ready to spread onto the cake. Okay, we're ready to frost. I'm going to make mine a coconut cake. So there we have it. A coconut cake made with White Mountain frosting the way my mother made it. Hers were always prettier. I put too much frosting on the first layer, and so my top layer is trying to slide around. So I have to try it. Mmm. Just like Mama used to make. Thanks for stopping by.